Hello and welcome to another adult craft kit. My name is Trina and I work in the Information Services Department with the Belleville Public Library. This month we will be making a 3D pop-up flower card. Provided in your kit is white cardstock, 2 sheets of red paper, gather from home glue or glue stick, a pair of scissors, colored pencils, markers, or pens, and a ruler. Select one of your colored sheets of paper and with a ruler begin to mark 7 5x5 squares. Take one of your squares and fold it in half by bringing the bottom point up to the top. Make sure that it is folded properly, otherwise your flower may not turn out. You will know it is not right when the flower's petals are not rounded. Then fold the triangle in half from left to right, bringing the bottom left point over to meet the right. Then fold the triangle in half again, bringing the top left point down to the right. Making sure to have the triangle seam facing to the left, cut out a petal shape. Ensure that the tip of the petal is rounded. When you open the first fold, you should see a perfect heart shape. Unfold your paper to reveal an 8-petaled flower. With your scissors, cut one of the petals out, leaving 7 petals only and a gap. With a colored pencil, marker, or pen, decorate your flower however you wish. Have a piece of paper or cardboard underneath to protect your surface. Add some glue to one of the petals on either side of the gap. Take your flower and glue together the petal on the opposite side of the gap onto the glued petal, making sure the petals align. Fold all of your 7 flowers in half. Take one of the flowers and add glue to only the tip of the left and the right petals. Take another folded flower and stick it onto the glued right petal. Its left petals should line up with the top of the right petals of the first flower. Connect another folded flower to the left petal, this time lining up the right petals. Add glue to the tips of the top 3 petals, the left, middle, and right. Connect another flower to the glued top petals. Add glue to the tips of the middle left petal, the top left petal, the top right petal, and the middle right petals. Connect another flower into the glue on the right. The left petal should line up with the top right petal. Connect another flower to the glue on the left. The right petal should line up with the top left. Add glue to the tips of the top petals again, left, middle, and right. Connect the last flower to the glued petals. Take your sheet of cardstock and fold it in half. Add glue to the entire center top petal. Flip the flower bundle over and connect it to the card so you see a V with the gap in the flower. The glued petals should face towards the bottom of the card with the opposite petals against the fold of the card. Add glue to the bottom center petal. Press firmly to connect the glued petal to the top of the card. Now open the card to see your 3D flowers pop up into a lovely bouquet. I hope you enjoyed making this craft with me. Please join us soon for another adult craft kit. Thank you and take care.